Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Corolla stock number 6639. This ran from the 3rd 2007 to the 10th 2013. It has a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,